Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at Investing with All I See is W, where we talk about finance, personal health, and self-development. Well, I'm out here by the Santa Clara Levi Stadium where the San Francisco 49ers play football. I'm just making my 5-mile run out here just to start my morning up. But first, I wanted to make this video to share with you my top 3 investments that I am currently involved in. And they are Inovio Pharmaceuticals, INO, iBio, and VBI vaccines, VBIV. Now first, before I begin providing you my insights, I'd like to inform you that the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do make an investment, please do your own research. Let's get started. Now with Inovio Pharmaceuticals, I'm forecasting that emergency use authorization will likely take place in Q1 of 2021. What we know is that the pandemic for the COVID is becoming more problematic, and for those reasons, it will provide Inovio the opportunity to negotiate with the Food and Drug Administration to expedite the process and allowing for the INO 4800 to be leveraged through the EUA process. And I feel like that will take place, and I'm not just recreating this based on my own forecast. This is based on the CEO, Joseph Kim, who informed all of us that EUA is likely going to take place in Q1 from the last financial business updates that was shared with the shareholders. And this is going to be great news because I feel like INO 4800 is a top class vaccine that is being hidden at this time, that's supported by the government, and the Department of Defense will likely announce funding. We shall hear that soon. And what we know is that the 8K information shall be released on Monday, and some of the transparent data will likely be noted in there. So take a look at that information. I as well will also be interested on the content on what's inside that information package. But wanted to say that Inovio Pharmaceuticals, in terms of share price, where we are today compared to where we were previously, I feel like the $12 range is the new resistance, where we can definitely get up to like the $20 share price range and then start building up potential to get back up to the $30 share price. And my exit point is around the $80 to $100, because I feel like since we're still in the design phase, the share price is relative to just still being in the clinical evaluation space. But until we hear implementation, for example, we hear news from Korea, China, and we hear about the peer review release, where I'm forecasting that information will be released sometime week 1 of December. And the funding will be coming out in the next few weeks. So I'm excited, and I foresee Inovio Pharmaceuticals blasting off to the moon. We keep saying that, but I foresee that happening. Okay, so thanks for hearing me out on my insights with Inovio. I'm going to go ahead and pivot over to iBio. Now, with iBio, why do I like this company so much? Well, first off, I really value the leader, CEO Tom Isett. He has been the CEO for iBio for several months now. And what I like about him as a CEO is that he is a true pure science guy who understands the product innovation and understands what it takes to get investigational new drug submissions to the Food and Drug Administration. And I think this is going to be a highlight for the company when you have a solid leader who can motivate and inspire the team. What I know is that the finance space, there's control there, where we know that the cash burn rate will improve in the long run. And we know that there's a new clinical director that is on board to support pulmonary disease research. And what I know is that the new director has 20 to 25 years experience in pulmonary diseases from Novartis. So just think about that for a second. A leader from a large scale company coming to a small hidden gem company, what is going to happen, right? Well, the fact that you have leaders from large scale companies coming into a small scale company, you can envision that economies of scale will take place, and that there will be the right people coming on board where the culture will be established. And what we know is that iBio 201, the subunit lichen protein, is showing promising results in preclinical trials. And until we hear phase 1 initiation, that will likely take place in Q1 of 2021, then the share price will start going up. But what I know is that there is new financial changes going on with the controlled shares being released in partnership with another source. And what that entails is that the value of the share price, future value, will likely increase in the long run. And that's why here's an opportunity. Let's say if you are an existing investor where you got in like at $5, $3, now is your time to dollar cost average down. I actually picked up more iBio shares in the prior week. I loaded up 25% more, and I was one of the long investors who experienced a $7 run, but I didn't sell or anything because I foresee that the share price will go up to the $30 to $50 share price range, and that's my exit point. And I'm not going to make any changes because I firmly believe in this company. This company was initially designed by DARPA, right, to support us. When I say us, I'm talking about humanity in case of a future pandemic, any airborne disease, and we are in that realm at this time, and that is why iBio is being activated as a company. And I know that IBM, Texas A&M are supporting iBio for what they are doing, so let's not ignore what they're doing, and I foresee double-digit share price range coming very soon for us. Okay, so for all the iBio believers, let's hold on tight because I firmly believe the reverse trend is coming based on the technical analysis, just looking at the share price. Okay, now next up I wanted to share with you is VBI vaccines, VBIV. Now what I like about this company so much is that it's based out in Massachusetts, and it's working on a wide range of different high quality vaccines. For example, glioblastoma. They also have a vaccine that is already in commercial use in Israel called the Hep B vaccine, and that is showing promising results. And what I know is that in the prior month, VBIV did present and showcase their Hep B vaccine in the United States at the liver conference. And until we get Hep B approved in the United States, that's when this company will also take off, when it focuses on global regulatory expansions as well as in Canada. So I'm excited for VBIV as well as its COVID-19 program that is currently in preclinical trials, and they are working with Canada at this time to support a robust clinical program for COVID-19. And currently the share price is at $2.90. Previously it was hovering at the $2.20, but it's gained up 70 cents. You know, I originally got in at a higher amount, but throughout the course in the last 2 weeks, I've been dollar cost averaging down because I firmly believe when there's blood on Wall Street, that's when you capitalize and you invest in the companies that you believe in. And I firmly believe that the share price will hover up to its prior resistance of $6. My exit point is in the double-digit share price range. So that's where I'm headed. And these are the top 3 tickers that I am currently invested in the biotech sector, because I feel like the demand is increasing and it's putting us biotech on the map. And that's all, folks. I just wanted to share with you my insights on Inovio Pharmaceuticals, iBio, and VBI vaccines. Well, if you found this video valuable, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, Investing with All I See Is W, for more related content. And happy holidays and God bless everyone. Goodbye.